Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce you to the Bike Trail Finder and Reporter web app. This app is designed to enhance your cycling experience by providing an easy-to-use platform to explore, evaluate, and contribute information about bike trails. My goal with this app is to improve trail accessibility and safety while fostering a community of cycling enthusiasts who can share valuable insights and updates. The primary purpose of this app is to empower cyclists by offering detailed information on bike trails. With the Bike Trail Finder and Reporter, you can explore a comprehensive map of bike trails in Montgomery County area, check current trail conditions to plan your ride better, and report to trail conditions, add new trails, and update existing information. By actively participating, you help ensure that the information remains current and accurate, benefiting all users. The foundation of the Bike Trail Finder and Reporter app lies in its robust data sources. To provide the most reliable and up-to-date information, I used data from several reputable sources. The first data set I used was the bicycle level of traffic stress data. This data comes from the Delaware Valley Regional Planning Commission's Data Center portal. It includes the bicycle trail network, schools, bus stops, and passenger rail stations. I also used data from OpenStreetMap. This provided information on locations of bike shops, which are essential for any cyclist looking to find maintenance services or gear. The data for this app was meticulously collected and processed to ensure accuracy and relevance. Here's how I approached the data collection. I downloaded the data covering all of southeast Pennsylvania from the Delaware Valley Regional Planning Commission GIS data catalog and OpenStreetMap. Then, using the Montgomery County boundary, I clipped out the necessary data to focus on the area of interest. Finally, most of the fields I needed were present, but I added two critical fields: name of the trail and trail conditions. Pre-processing the data involves several steps to ensure it is ready for use in the app. The name and trail fields were added to the trail network to ensure each trail could be uniquely identified and contained a field for storing trail conditions. For trail conditions, I created a drop-down domain. This ensures data integrity by providing users with a consistent set of options to describe trail conditions, avoiding varied and potentially confusing descriptions. The names for most of the trails were populated in a different dataset named Circuit Trails. This is a trail network throughout the Delaware Valley that is either existing or planned, but only covers longer trails and not local community trails. I performed a spatial join to circuit trail data to the bike trail network and performed a field calculation to populate the name fields for those trails in the circuit trail network. For trails without names, I used Google Maps and local municipalities' websites to find missing names. If no name was found, I used a nearby cross street where the trail started or ended. By following these steps, I ensured the dataset was comprehensive and accurate. Once the data was ready, publishing the layers was a straightforward process in ArcGIS Pro. Here are the detailed steps I followed. First, I prepared the map in ArcGIS Pro. I added all necessary layers, such as bike trails, bike shops, and repair stations, to my map in ArcGIS Pro. Ensuring that each layer was visually clear and informative, I configured the symbology and labeling for each layer. I verified that the map was using an appropriate coordinate system for the area and type of analysis. Before sharing, I used the Analyze tool within the Share tab to check for any potential issues that might prevent the layers from being published correctly. This tool helps identify errors or warnings related to symbology, labeling, data projections, and other configurations. I navigated to the Share tab on the ArcGIS Pro ribbon. I selected Web Map to begin the process of sharing my map to ArcGIS Online. I then provided a name, summary, and description for the web map to help users understand its purpose and contents. I added relevant tags to make the map easier to find in ArcGIS Online searches. I then updated the sharing settings to allow the web map to be public. I click the Publish button to begin uploading the map and its layer to ArcGIS Online. ArcGIS Pro then packaged the data and uploaded it to my ArcGIS Online account. After the publishing process was complete, I logged into ArcGIS Online to verify that the map and its layers were successfully uploaded. I opened the web map in the ArcGIS Online map viewer to check that all layers displayed correctly and that their symbology and labeling were intact. By following these steps, I was able to publish my layers from ArcGIS Pro to ArcGIS Online, making them accessible for the Bike Trail Finder and Reporter web app. This ensures that the data is correctly configured and available for use in the web-based application, providing cyclists with up-to-date and accurate trail information. The Bike Trail Finder and Reporter web app comes packed with several features designed to enhance the user's experience. The first feature is the web map. This is the core feature of the app, which displays bike trails along with their current conditions. This helps cyclists choose the best routes for their rides. Next, we have an editing capability. The app empowers users to report on trail conditions, add new trails and bike shops, and update existing trail information. This ensures that the data remains current and accurate, reflecting real-time conditions and changes. There is also a search capability. Users can search for specific addresses and points of interest, including trails, bus stops, trail stations, and bike shops. This feature makes it easier for cyclists to plan their rides by locating key points of interest. I also used the elevation widget for a geoprocessing capability. This feature enables users to calculate elevation profiles for their selected routes, helping them understand the terrain and prepare accordingly. Knowing the elevation profile can be crucial for planning a ride, especially for those who prefer or those who want to avoid hilly terrains. Other widgets that were utilized are the My Location widget, which utilizes the user's current location to enhance the functionality of the Near Me widget. This widget offers personalized and relevant information based on the user's position, making it easier to find nearby trails and services. The Near Me widget, which displays nearby bike shops, repair stations, and other cyclist-friendly amenities. This ensures that cyclists have access to essential services wherever they are. And finally, the Measurement widget, which provides tools for users to measure distances and areas on the map. This is particularly useful for route planning, allowing cyclists to gauge the length and area of their rides. The Bike Trail Finder and Reporter web app is a powerful tool for cyclists, offering up-to-date and accurate trail information. By contributing to the app, you help maintain a valuable resource for the entire cycling community. Your participation ensures that the app remains a reliable and comprehensive guide for cyclists of all levels. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy using the app.